In this video, we have to make x the subject of equation. So, first of all, we can see that 5 is dividing on this side. So, when we take 5 on the other side of equation, this will be multiplied by bx plus 3y. So, we have 5 times bx plus 3y. And then we can see that 2a minus 3y is dividing on that side. So when we take on the other side, this will be multiplied by 2. So we have 2 times 2a minus 3x. Now we will expand the brackets. So we have 5 multiplied by bx, which is 5bx, and 5 times 3y is 15y, is equal to 2 times 2a is 4a, and 2 times 3x is minus 6x. Now we have to make x the subject, so we must have x on one side of equation. So we will take this minus 6x on the other side. We have 5bx, and minus 6x will become plus 6x, and then we will take this plus 15y on the other side of equation. So we have it will be converted into minus 15y. Now we can take x common. So we have, now we will divide 5bx by x. So we will get 5b, and then 6x by x. So we will get 6. Then we have 4a minus 15y. Now since 5b plus 6 is multiplying by x, so when we take 5b plus 6 on the other side, this will be written in the denominator. So x is equal to 4a minus 15y upon 5b plus 6 is the required solution, and we can see that we have x on the one side and all the other variables on the other side. So x is the subject of the given formula or equation.